Is this really a Super XX chassis? Well, whether it is or not, let's dive right into building this kit. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! In today's video, we're unboxing and assembling the Max Breaker Super XX chassis model from Daxing. I've already taken a look inside the box, and all the parts are here and accounted for. I'll be setting aside the cowls for now as I'm planning to give them a matte black paint job. So, without further ado, let's jump into the build. I've already pre-cut the parts to save time. If you're a younger viewer, I highly recommend asking a parent or adult to help with cutting just to stay safe. We'll kick things off with the gears, getting them attached to the chassis. Once that's in place, we'll move on to the wheel set. I've actually painted the wheels a chrome silver, which gives them a nice, polished look. Let's go ahead and prep this wheel set. Next up is the eyelet. Attach it to the chassis, then fit the wheels onto the tires. Hold on a second, the gears are feeling a bit stiff. Let me take a closer look. It could either be an issue with the gear itself or possibly the wheel shaft being a bit too thick. Let's compare it to the pink gears for reference, and unfortunately, the ones that come with the kit do seem noticeably thicker. Man, these wheels are no joke. Great way to build up some hand strength. I really had to use 100% effort to get the wheels on snugly. Once that's sorted, we'll install the battery holder onto the chassis, followed by the front copper terminals and the switch. With everything in place, close it all up using the front internals. Now onto the back. Will fit in the 3.5 to 1 gears and seal it off using the rear internals. Oh nice, this motor has 2 stars on it. That's pretty decent. Before dropping the motor in, attach the pinion gear. Then get the battery holder ready by inserting the copper terminals. Once everything's prepped, snap the motor into place and secure it with the Super XX internals. Let's get those rollers installed. Don't forget to place the washer before screwing them in. And finally, attach the rear wing designed specifically for the Super XX chassis. Let's test it real quick. Whoa, this motor is seriously fast. Definitely feels like it's in the dash motor category. Back to the cowl, it finished painting it matte black. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Max Breaker build complete. From what I remember, this kit originally comes with a Super X chassis, so getting a Super XX right out of the box is actually a great upgrade. It saves you the cost of buying one separately. At first, I thought the wheel shafts were Naki models, but after checking, it turns out the crown gears included are pretty thick. If you're planning to race this kit, I'd recommend swapping them out for the pink crown gears to avoid any chance of disqualification. Also, the motor Daxing kits usually include extra fast motors, which might not meet race regulations. It's a good idea to switch it out for an official Tamiya motor if you're going to compete. Hope you found this honest review helpful. Thanks for watching. Mini4wd would like to thank you for watching this video. We truly appreciate your continued support. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Mini4wd content coming your way.